Instead of asking why a nail tech is so expensive, ask why the other is so cheap. What's up, G4M gang? We are so happy to be back with another review. This video is going to be about the nail dust collector by Lidan. Says they've been established since 2004. This item was purchased from Amazon. This is our honest review. If you've tried this product, leave a comment below, share your experience. Hopefully you like the video. And if you do, leave a comment, thumbs it up. Welcome back to all of our newest subscribers and to those who have been with us from the beginning. We really, really, really value you guys and your likes and your comments. Just so you know, we totally appreciate you. And thanks for rocking with us. So without further ado, let's hop into this review and leave your thoughts below. If you'd like an item reviewed, please feel free to contact us using the information located in the description. Thanks so much, and until next time, goodbye. Here we have the Lidan Dust Collector nails. The power behind it is 40 watts. The AC adapter is 100 to 200 volts, which is dope. It does come with one extra filter, and the actual unit has a filter already included. And this brush, which we're gonna figure out what it's for later, it came wrapped in bubble wrap, and it did come with one sheet of instructions. They are pretty vague. It's pretty much the speculations or the specs. It's pretty much the specs of the unit and, you know, what it does. It's not much to put it together, just the power button and the plug. So, it's not heavy at all. I believe it's about 825 grams in weight. I would say that's about maybe a pound or so. So the adapter is going to be the female ended adapter. It's pretty much a universal one if you have like an e-file or an LED UV lamp. Pretty simple. This is how it looks out of the plastic. Here we have the power button on and off, and you will also see the fan on the top and a fan on the bottom, which I'm guessing is why, you know, it has a lot of power. You will hear in just a moment. I'm gonna plug it up so you guys can hear for yourself and take your own opinion. The nails that you see me pointing like I'm Vanna White, that's what I'm removing. So, bottom fan right here. Let's plug this baby up and give it a go. I will warn you now, if you have your volume up, you may want to turn it down. All right, this brush we'll use to, I guess, dust off the excess, but here goes nothing. So, You can make your own opinion from the observation. It reminds me of like an industrial fan in a warehouse. Super loud. I'm not sure if all of these are loud. Now, I did purchase this with my own money, so this is not a sponsored video at all, but it is loud, so I probably will not use this in the future. So here I am just taking off just an old nail set that I had prior to this video, because it's time for a new design. I am using my tornado drill bit for my e-file. I do have it set to 1000 RPMs, and the reason why I use my e-file when I'm using my tornado bit so high at such a high leveled RPM is because it helps me knock down the bulk of the product. In this case, I am removing acrylic, so I'm able to move on to my next set a lot quicker versus soaking in acetone, hand filing, and so forth. As far as my recommendations, I'm not too sure if this is just how loud they are. This is my first nail dust collector, so it could very well be, just how they sound. It did do a great job with holding on and catching the dust. There was not a lot around my desk outside of just the lines in which I used that mysterious brush to get any excess dust that was on the top of the metal portion inside where the filter is. So hopefully you've enjoyed the video. And if I would recommend it, sure, if this is how it's supposed to sound. I did enjoy using the product, and I enjoyed this entire making of this tutorial and review. If you enjoyed it as well, please leave a thumbs up and a comment. If you can recommend any other nail dust collectors, I would greatly appreciate it. So without further ado, it's been amazing doing this video for you guys, and I will miss you, but until next time, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.